What if you could predict next quarter's revenue with the same confidence you have about last quarter's numbers? What if your cash flow forecast actually matched reality? Your budget's updated automatically, and your leadership team stopped relying on spreadsheets that break 5 minutes before a meeting. Sounds impossible, but inside Intuit Enterprise Suite, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you the financial profit and analysis tools that finally give you the visibility you've been missing. Hi, I'm Raeann Salter with Minding My Books, your Intuit QuickBooks Success Partner. This video is part of my Intuit Enterprise Solutions series, 7 Reasons Why IES might be the perfect fit for your business. In this episode, we're diving into one of the most transformative parts of Intuit Enterprise Suite, financial planning and analysis. If you've ever had to manually rebuild budgets, create cash flow forecasts from scratch, or struggle with inaccurate projections, you're going to love this feature. Also, stay around to section 4, where I show you how AI will generate a financial summary to give you key insights into your finances. Let's get started. Let's start with the heart of financial planning and analysis, forecast. Forecasting inside Intuit Enterprise Suite gives you the power to look ahead with clarity, make informed decisions, and eliminate the guesswork that slows teams down. IES uses your actual financial data to create clear, reliable forecasts you can trust. Instead of trying to piece together numbers from spreadsheets and emails, you get a unified view of what's coming, all based on real performance trends. This is where the magic happens. IES uses AI-powered forecasting that pulls from your profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to give you a complete, forward-looking financial picture. It doesn't just guess, it calculates. It analyzes, it models your business with real intelligence. Once your forecasts are generated, you can immediately turn them into building blocks for your financial plan. Let me show you what that looks like. Within financial planning, choose Forecast. You can create forecasts for profit and loss statement, balance sheet statement, and statement of cash flow. I have 4 steps to complete my forecast. First, update any unbalanced accounts to make sure your information is up to date. Now, let's set your forecast settings. Choose your time frame you want to forecast for and whether to use average of actuals or actuals from last fiscal year. Then, choose the time frame for your actuals. Add any rules for specific chart of accounts where you can add, increase, or decrease by a certain percentage. Next, let's link our accounts. Account linking is made so that any changes made in profit and loss or balance sheet are automatically reflected across all statements. To link accounts, choose your bank account where changes in income or expenses will be reflected. Choose your primary receivable account where your sales will be tracked. Percentage of cash sales paid upfront, your average days, and what is your primary income account. Lastly, choose your primary payable account where your credit purchases will be tracked. The percentage of expenses or cost of goods sold paid up front, your average days it takes to pay vendors after receiving the bill or expense, and which cost of goods sold account or expense accounts to link to the primary payable account. You can now export or print. Make this a budget and save once finished. From the Financial Planning Forecast page, you will see your forecast. If you're evaluating whether Intuit Enterprise Suite can help you with budgeting, forecasting, or multi-entity reporting, please book a free discovery call using the link below. All right, let's get back to the walkthrough. Now that you can see the future with forecast, the next step is defining the financial targets you want your business to hit. Inside Intuit Enterprise Suite, goals are simple, focused, and driven by your most important KPIs. In IES, goals are built around the 4 performance indicators that tell the real financial story of your business: gross profit margin, net profit margin, total income, and total expenses. These are the numbers leadership teams rely on to measure financial health, profitability, and operational efficiency. And IES lets you track all 4 in real time. AI will suggest goals based on your AI-powered forecast. How cool is that? To create a goal, follow these 3 steps. Select Create Goal. Choose between company goals and project goals. If you select project goal, select a project from the list and the KPI is pre-selected to net profit margin. Goals created for a project will also be reflected in the project's page. If you choose company goals, select the key performance indicator you want to track the total income, total expense, net profit margin, or gross profit margin. Enter a descriptive name for the goal if you chose company goals. Set the start and end dates for your goal within company goals. Next, enter profit margin desired for either type of goal. This must be greater than 0. Select Create Goal when finished. It's as easy as that. With your forecast built and your goals set, the final step is creating a budget your team can actually follow. Inside Intuit Enterprise Suite, budgets are fast to build, easy to update, and fully connected to your financial data, so they stay accurate month after month. Instead of starting with a blank spreadsheet, you can convert your AI-generated forecast directly into budgets. IES pulls in your historical trends, current financial activity, and projected performance, so you can build a complete budget in minutes, not days. IES gives you a clear starting point grounded in real numbers. Otherwise, you can create a custom budget from scratch. Use Spreadsheet Sync or import using the template provided from Intuit. Keep in mind, you can only import profit and loss through Spreadsheet Sync or importing. You can create a custom budget for profit and loss, balance sheet, and even project-based financials. For profit and loss, you can choose to import your budget. First, choose your budget type. Select your time period. Then choose whether you want a consolidated budget for an organization level financial plan or subdivided based on location, class, department, or customers. Lastly, choose what past time period to pre-fill your data for. You can choose to create a custom budget from scratch or choose to create your budget from a forecast. If you choose from scratch, you can compare reference data and pull in prior year actuals. Choose whether to build your budget monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Enter your income, cost of goods sold, and expenses into the spreadsheet. With batch actions, you can copy reference data or clear data in multiple rows. You can search by account name or number. You can choose to show or hide all reference data. You can export to Excel or print or save data into a PDF format. Budget comments lets you communicate directly inside the budget. Team members can also reply to existing comments. You can create tasks to assign work to others. The assignee will get a notification indicating there's a task assigned to them. Selecting the task will take them to the budget. You can also edit in Spreadsheet. This will take you to the Spreadsheet Sync app in Excel if you have it set up. Save the spreadsheet once completed. With the balance sheet, you only must choose the time period and default view of monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Click Next to enter your budget information. With project-based, you would select the project and the time period. You can also convert the projects to an estimate, saving you time. You can import a budget through an Excel template, or you can create a budget within the Spreadsheet Sync app. The most powerful way is to create a budget is through forecasting, but it's whatever works best for you. Last is the budget approvals. This allows you to streamline, review, and sign off. You can send your budgets for approval after setting up the approval workflow. Only users with admin permissions can set up a budget approval workflow, but all users with edit permissions to budgets can request approval. Here's how you can set up a budget and submit it for approval. Select the Templates tab within the Shazam icon. Create a custom workflow. Select Approval, Budget to land on the budget approval template. Create your custom workflow. Add approvers to the template. Select Save and turn on approval for budgets. Go to the budget you want to request approval for. Select Submit for approval to submit the budget for approval. Keep in mind, any user with edit permissions to budgets can request approval on the finalized budget. One of my favorite parts of financial planning and analysis inside Intuit Enterprise Suite is the AI-generated financial summary. This is where IES takes 5 years of monthly financial data and will prepare a forecast for you. This includes your profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, and turns it into a clear, actionable snapshot of your business performance. Instead of digging through reports or trying to understand dozens of numbers, you get a concise overview that explains exactly what happened and what it means. The AI-generated financial summary takes complex financial data and translates it into plain English insights. It highlights your key movements, trends, risk, and opportunities, all automatically. You'll see insights like revenue, if it's trending up or down, expenses increased in specific categories, whether margins are improving or tightening, whether cash flow is projected to shift next period, and variances compared to your goals. Notable changes in P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. This isn't just a report, it's financial storytelling powered by AI. You don't have to export anything, run formulas, or build comparisons. The system automatically reviews historical activity, seasonal patterns, forecasted performance, actual results, budget performance, KPI goals, and then it summarizes that information in a way that helps you make confident decisions quickly. The AI summary gives leaders exactly what they need: what changed, why it changed, how it impacts the business, what to watch for, what actions to consider next. Anyone who needs a fast, accurate understanding of your financial performance will appreciate this summary. The moment new data hits your file, invoices, bills, payroll, journal entries, the summary updates. This means that you always have a real-time, AI-driven view of your company's health without having to run multiple reports. This turns IES into a financial command center where insights are always current. Let's look at what this actually means for your business. You'll get faster month-end closes because actuals feed directly into budgets and forecasts. You'll have better decision-making where your leadership team gets real-time, accurate financial visibility. And there's no more spreadsheet chaos. Everything is centralized and automated. You'll get smarter hiring and spending because forecasts actually match reality. You'll have stronger profitability because you'll know exactly where to reduce cost or increase investment. And on top of that, you'll get multi-entity insights. If you run separate companies, IES combines them into one financial view. Financial planning and analysis is one of the biggest upgrades IES offers beyond QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. Thank you so much for joining me today. Financial planning and analysis inside Intuit Enterprise Suite is powerful and it can completely transform how you budget, forecast, and make decisions. If you want help deciding whether IES is the right fit for your business, or you want support getting financial planning and analysis set up, customized, or rolled out to your team, I'd love to help. Use the link below to book your free discovery call, and let's walk through your business needs together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps my channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more advanced QuickBooks and IES training. I'm Raeann Salter, your Intuit QuickBooks Success Partner, and I'll see you in the next video. I appreciate you.